Wala na, hindi na naman yan. Ano natin sa iyo?
Nag-video ka naman ha.
Bopata. Excuse me. Ay, nag-video. Video ko tayo. Ito mo yan. Nakatang si Lola. Hello guys. Nandito po kami sa Fisher Mall. Anak ka dito. Ano kaya yun? Ayan, magsalita ka na. Fisher Mall.
Hello guys, so we are here in
Ano parang hawak dito ka sa camera. Takot siya eh. Hindi masyadong hawakan mo na. Wait lang.
3, 2, 3.
Sabi niya 3. Ang daming 3.
Now we're going having the escalator.
Sabi mo, I'm scared at the escalator.
Donut,
I'm scared.
I'm a little scared.
A little scared. Tiny is scared at the escalator.
Donut. Guys, don't listen to my mama. I'm scared of the escalator.
Tiny is scared.
Yeah. There we go. This is the supermarket. Am I gonna have it?
Okay, you hawak. Put your cellphone here.
Pot